Welcome to the Denodo installation course. In the first module, we are going to talk about the topics covered in this course. It is not needed to have prior experience with Denodo to do this course. This course provides in-depth knowledge of all activities required to install and configure Denodo Platform. Topics include downloading Denodo software and licenses, installing the new Solution Manager, installation and configuration of Denodo Platform and the Denodo Embedded MPP, and updating the Solution Manager and Denodo Platform. In the first part of the course, we'll see an overview of the installation process, discuss whether Solution Manager has to be installed, how to define the configuration using Solution Manager, and how to launch the Denodo Platform services without Solution Manager, for example, when you're using Denodo Express. Later in the course, we will take a look at the different types of installations. The possible types are on-premise installation, cloud installation, and Denodo Express installation. We will see how to get the installers and licenses for each of these. Once the deployment architecture is defined, the Denodo software is then installed. In most scenarios, the first component to install is Denodo Solution Manager, along with the global licenses. After installing Solution Manager, the next step is to install Denodo Platform. We will also cover some general installation best practices. After the installation module is finished, we'll look at an overview of the folders and files created in the Denodo Platform installation folder. After installing Denodo Platform, the next step is to install and configure the Denodo Embedded MPP if needed. This component is included with the Enterprise Plus subscription of Denodo Platform. At this point in the course, you will have all the Denodo services installed, so the next step would be to talk about the Denodo Control Center, which is a graphical tool for configuring and launching all the Denodo Platform services, including Solution Manager, Virtual Data Port, Scheduler, and Data Catalog. Finally, we'll look at the details of installing updates to Denodo Platform in order to have the latest features and security fixes. Installing updates is part of the administration best practices. As a final summary, in this course, Denodo administrators will learn the basics of how to install Denodo Platform and how to maintain it through updates. We hope you enjoy the training.